If you've ever had 47 tabs open trying to find real market data, census reports, conflicting numbers everywhere, this is the solution for you. Welcome to LivePlan's Market Research feature. I'm going to show you exactly how this feature gives you credible investor and lender-ready insights fast. You're going to answer a few simple questions about your business, industry, location, business model. LivePlan's AI is going to pull data from more than 40 reliable, relevant sources to synthesize it into a single, clear report. In minutes, you get real market size, TAM, SAM, SOM, with defendable numbers, customer insights, demographics, behaviors, buying patterns. You're going to get custom personas, so you know exactly who you're targeting. You're also going to get great competitive analysis that's going to show you gaps and even some opportunities in your market. What you get is exactly what you need to validate your idea or give to lenders and investors, because this is what they want to see: clear market understanding. They want real numbers pulled from actual real data. They want evidence you know your customer and your competition. Entrepreneurs often skip market research because it's expensive and it can be confusing. LivePlan fixes both. You still validate the insights, but now you're starting from real data and not just guesses. You can still add industry data to your market research to round out your business opportunity. The industry data in LivePlan gives you real-world benchmarks from businesses like yours, so you're not planning in the dark. See typical revenue, expenses, and profit margins for your industry, and then you can compare them to your forecast. Connect QuickBooks or Xero to bring in your actual performance data to compare and quickly tell if your business is on track. Anticipate industry risks, prepare for investor and banker questions. You just saw how to go from dozens of tabs driving you crazy to one clear picture of your market. Get started and see just how much this powerful feature is gonna kickstart your business planning.